Hi everyone, welcome back this week. Now, right now, many countries are experiencing very high COVID-19 case surge, and vaccines and drugs can certainly help, but they are not the only solutions. Now, scientists, including me, often overlook one of the best ways to defeat or to beat a viral infection is to optimize our body's defense. Now, the immune system is one of our defenses, but also, we have something called the human microbiome. That means the microorganisms that live on us or inside us. They also play a very important role in helping us to defend against viral infections. A recently published article identified metabolites from some human-associated bacteria have anti-SARS-CoV-2 activities. Now, in particular, one of the most potent metabolites is structurally similar to a class of drugs called nucleoside antivirals, such as remdesivir. Now, this in vitro experiment showed the metabolite called IPA are being taken up by the SARS-CoV-2 viral RNA polymerase at a similar level as remdesivir. This is the exact mechanism of how remdesivir works to inhibit viral RNA synthesis. Now, even though a relatively high amount of these compounds was needed to inhibit 50% of viral replication in a cell-based screening experiment, it still implies that a well-maintained human microbiome plays an essential role in allowing the body to fight off infections. So now you may ask me how I'm supposed to optimize my body's defense. Now, even though COVID-19 first affects the respiratory system, severe disease is due to dysregulation of immune response and affects multiple organs. There is an increasing research suggesting disruption of the healthy gut microbiome can lead to a leaky gut. Opportunistic harmful bacteria could overtake and secrete toxin into the circulatory system and finally worsen the systemic inflammatory response. A very interesting study observed data from 122 diverse countries, and they find that lower COVID-19 death in countries with more people living in rural areas with a lower water quality and sanitation score. Now, these people had a higher gut microbial diversity. It certainly offered an interesting possible link to why COVID fatality is lower in India and Africa. Most of you that are watching my videos live in highly industrialized countries, and we have clean waters right at the comfort of our home. And I'm not saying that we should go out to drink dirty water, but there are actually many dietary habits we can try to optimize to boost our gut health. Number 1, eating a diverse range of food. The traditional Western diet is unfortunately not very diverse and is rich in fat and sugar. Now, research has shown that people from rural regions of Africa and South America eat a much diverse diet and have a more diverse gut microbiome than people from urban areas in Europe or the US. And number 2, eat lots of vegetable, legumes, and beans. Traditional Indian cuisines uses many beans and legumes. Now, these foods are high in fiber that your gut bacteria can digest and support their growth. Number 3, eating fermented food. Now, for most of us, the most common fermented food is yogurt. Now, research has shown that people who eat many yogurts appear to have more lactobacilli in their intestines. They also have less harmful bacteria called Enterobacteriaceae, which is associated with inflammation. For me, I enjoy eating fermented vegetable kimchi with my meal. Number 4, eating food rich in polyphenols. Polyphenols are plant compounds that have many health benefits, including reduction in blood pressure, inflammation, cholesterol level, and oxidative stress. This includes foods such as cocoa, dark chocolate, red wine, green tea, broccoli, and almonds. Now, human cells cannot always digest polyphenols because they aren't absorbed efficiently. Most polyphenols make their way to the colon, where they are digested by gut bacteria. And I love my cup of homemade matcha latte. Number 5. Increase your probiotic intakes. Probiotics are live microorganisms, usually bacteria, that provide a specific health benefit when consumed. Probiotics don't permanently colonize the intestine in most cases. However, they may benefit your health by changing the overall composition of the microbiome and support your metabolism. Now, in fact, there are a number of clinical trials happening right now studying how probiotics can help manage COVID-19 in both elderly and adult patients. The bottom line is that your gut bacteria are extremely important to many aspects of your health, and disruption of your gut microbiome could increase the overall inflammation and may have a link to severe COVID-19 outcome. Now, certainly, it would require more research to support this theory. But when we expect COVID-19 to become an endemic, having a better overall health status is becoming more and more important. Now, I always say stay safe and healthy at the end of my videos, and I hope this video can encourage you to lead a healthier life in 2022. I know this video is very different than my other previous videos, and I would really like your feedback in the comment section if possible. And if you are new to the channel, and please consider hitting the subscribe button for more content coming up. And lastly, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.